Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I just want to come on here quickly and tell you a little bit about a new event that Lauren and I are going to be speaking at. As you know, we wrote the book Win-Win Parenting that is really designed to help everyone in families win. You know, sometimes we see families where the parents are really winning and the kids are losing, and then we see other families where the kids are winning and the parents are obviously losing. But you know, one thing that's really important to us is that we help everyone win, because the reality is if someone in the family is losing, then everyone's really losing. So we want families to be win-win. We want kids winning physically, emotionally, spiritually. We want parents winning all the same ways as well. And so we wrote that book, but now we're doing a full-on event that we created, and we're going to be in the New Orleans area in Hammond, Louisiana at the Mission Church. And we're so pumped. Lauren and I are both coming. We're flying in. We're both speaking. We're just going to hang out for a whole day on Saturday starting at 9 a.m. right there at the Mission Church with a lot of our friends. We got friends from all over the New Orleans area that we really love, and the Hammond area. And so we're going to pull everyone together and really, really bless the region. But here's the dates. I think I already told you. November 10th and 11th, 9 a.m. Here's what else we're doing. We're doing an early bird special. So if you sign up before September 23rd, you are going to get a special price. It's discounted right now. And also what you're going to get for everyone who signs up, you will actually get a free copy of our book, Win-Win Parenting, included in the workshop. So it's going to be really amazing. I hope if you're in the area, anywhere near, you will come join us. Even if you're not near, you're welcome to fly in. But if you're in the area, come and join us. Come and learn. Come and connect with other parents, other churches as well at the Mission Church. And one other thing, it's not available yet, but I wanted to tell you, we're also going to do something for the entire families the next day. And we're calling it Revival Families. So it won't just be only a one-day event. It will also be Sunday afternoon with kids and parents all together, and that's going to be awesome as well. But I will let you know more about that as the time comes. Right now, I just wanted you to know about Hammond and about the Win-Win Parenting Workshop. Hope you guys can join us. Bless you tons, and I'll see you all sometime soon. Bye.